CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 27th of June 2025. In Nicaragua, Christians are being imprisoned by the authorities on false charges, Christian leaders are being dispersed, and restrictions are being imposed on the church. Meanwhile, Father Pedro Bismarck Chow says that he has just been given responsibility for the church, and that the government is exerting undue pressure on him and interfering in the church's operations. Landa Alexani says that Christians are being closely monitored in Iran. While Iranian spies are being found in the United States, Christians are accused of revealing secret information. The war has caused great damage, Christians are praying for peace. Syria is becoming more violent day by day for Christians. Murad, who has buried 3 of his family members, says that he is given many hopes that Christians are safe, but with each passing day, new rights violations occur. Maria, a Filipina domestic worker in Saudi Arabia, practiced her Christian faith in secret. She would quietly gather for Bible study with other foreign workers. When this became known to those she worked for, they turned her into the police and she was severely punished. In Myanmar, the military junta targeted Christian villages. An elderly woman named Daw then fled her burning home with nothing but the clothes she was wearing. She now lives as a homeless person, praying for peace and justice. Mayron, a Christian in Eritrea, was conscripted into indefinite national service. Because she refused to renounce his faith, she endured harsh conditions and imprisonment. His family has given up hope of his release. His return now a distant dream. After the Taliban took over, Aisha, a practicing Christian in Afghanistan, was forced to bury her Bible in a secret place and erase all traces of her faith when she saw Christians being killed. Her daily life became a desperate act of hiding, silently praying for safety and freedom. Pastor Lee's underground church in China is thriving, sharing the gospel despite tight government surveillance. One night, authorities raided his gathering, arresting him and several members. He was imprisoned for illegal evangelism. His congregation scattered but not broken. Hassan, a Christian farmer in Nigeria, woke up to the sound of gunfire. Militants attacked his village, burning homes and killing Christians. He lost his wife and children, but by the grace of God, he survived. In the shadows of North Korea, a young woman named Ji Hyun secretly professed her faith. When her Bible was discovered, she was arrested. Her family, too, endured unspeakable hardships for her devotion. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.